district 这边怎么户外的，要叫海陆蒙的要 this generation, right? 这只要的，但是呢，我要的我开本证。这里我都估算的。When will I become the generation? When is it my generation? Not in a boastful way, but when I turn 55 and become a senior citizen, am I still considered next generation according to Hmong district, right? I don't get it. Like in my mind, it doesn't really make sense. And that's when God was like, you are the generation. This is the generation. How long am I still waiting to say, you know what, it's not my generation. I'm not old enough yet. It's still not my turn to be the ones that are beginning to carry the load of the church. Like, how long am I going to wait? Am I going to wait until I become a senior citizen to consider it my generation? So I want to challenge you. If you're not a senior citizen yet, hey, it's your generation. Don't wait. Don't wait until your parents are gone and then you can say, okay, now I can step up. No, this is the generation. You are the generation. If you are the generation, and if you're not going to step up, then man, who is? Who is going to carry that torch forward, the baton, onto the next generation that are our kids that are looking up to us and waiting for us? Who's going to do it? My daughter asked me the other night, she said, hey, Dad, how long are you going to be a pastor? And I said, I think until God calls me home. Like, I really don't know. And she says, good, because I don't think any of my friends are becoming pastors. And I said, what? No. I know that's the way it seems, but don't worry. Some days God's going to call somebody in your generation to become a pastor. But, that was the impression that she got, right? She's 11. And she's already looking at her friends like, not him, not her, right? Good, Dad, you're going to be the pastor forever. That's good. But let us be, right, a generation that will lead our children to become a generation that will lead their children to follow after God. It's your turn to serve. It's your turn to do the work. So let us do it with all that we have. Let us worship together.